In the last video, you saw how to create a talking avatar, but what if you could make it truly your own? In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom avatar with your own character and voice. Let's get started. For a custom talking avatar, tap Upload Avatar Video. If you don't have a video, click Generate Avatar. Then, choose Generate with Image, upload your photo, and wait for it to process. After 2 to 3 minutes, select your avatar and type your script. Now, let's add a custom voice. I'll download an Ana de Armas dialogue file from YouTube.
Begonia, nice choice.
What is it?
I selected the video to extract Ana de Armas audio and will use this software to download it from YouTube. Since I only need the voice, I enabled the Download Audio File Only option. Then, I'll tap the download link to get the audio. This audio file includes both Chris Evans and Ana de Armas, so I'll need to trim the Chris Evans audio. Import your audio file into any editing software and remove Chris Evans audio. Make sure the final audio is at least 10 seconds long. Once the audio is cut, export it and go to vocalremover.org to remove background sounds. When the process is complete, download only the vocal file. Next, I'll upload this audio to a call, select the file, and click Generate Audio.
Yes, thank you.
Finally, tap Generate, and after a few minutes, your AI-powered talking avatar will be ready.
Welcome to the Geek Savvy YouTube channel. Welcome to the Geek Savvy YouTube channel.
Welcome to the Geek Savvy YouTube channel.
Try it out and make your own talking avatar today.
The YouTube channel. Welcome to the Geek Savvy YouTube channel. Welcome to the Geek Savvy YouTube channel.